This would be a level 2 question. The figure for this question would be as drawn. ABC is the triangle and AD divides BC in the ratio 1:3. So we can say BD is X and CD is 3X. The angle ABC is 30 degrees and ACD is 45 degrees. Now in triangle ABD, using the sine rule, I can get sine 30 upon AD is equal to sine of angle BAD upon BD, which is X. This will give me, now sine 30 we know is half. So what I get from here is that sine angle BAD is equal to X upon twice AD. Also in triangle ADC, I get sine 45 upon AD is equal to sine angle CAD upon CD, which is 3x. So sine angle CAD is equal to 3x into sine 45, which is 1 by root 2 whole by AD, which is equal to 3x by root 2 times AD. I need to find the value of sine angle BAD by sine angle CAD, which can be given as x upon 2AD divided by 3x by root 2 AD, which is x upon twice AD into root 2 AD by 3x. So AD gets cancelled, x get cancelled. I am left with 1 by 3 root 2. 1 by 3 root 2, which is nothing but 1 by root 18. Hence the answer in this case is 1 by root 18, that is option C.